Welcome to our presentation. Eco-cooling, a Swadeshi innovation. An inexpensive and eco-friendly cooling solution. Our objective is simple: to design a low-cost and low-maintenance cooling model that keeps fruits and vegetables fresh without electricity. Every year, farmers face heavy losses after harvest because of poor storage and lack of refrigeration. Our solution uses bamboo, rope and earthen pots. All easily available local materials. A cotton rope continuously supplies water to the earthen pot, allowing it to cool the produce through natural evaporation. Water seeps through the tiny pores of the earthen pot and evaporates from the outer surface. This evaporation absorbs heat, cooling the air and the stored items inside. The cotton rope acts like a wick. Through capillary action, it draws water from the reservoir and keeps the surface continuously moist, ensuring steady cooling with minimal refilling. As the cooled air spreads, heat is transferred from warmer items to the cooler surfaces. Good ventilation and shade further improve performance, keeping everything fresh for longer.